Yes, so automation and AI do obviously sit separately, but also have a lot of kind of joining features. So primarily the automation aspect of it is improving our ability to free up time and resource in general as we're automating work as such. Whereas the AI aspect of it is significantly enhancing our actual output and performance. And so although the automation allows us more time individually to work on strategy and be that optimizations, manual optimizations, and the general kind of be that analysis of the campaign. The AI side of things is the one actually improving that performance part of it. We're working with DSPs on their specific kind of like AI setups. Every single one will have a bespoke setup. So our tech agnostic approach allows us to kind of curate which selections we make based on the individual campaign and the structured strategy required for each individual client. These AI tools are allowing us to essentially work with the DSPs to build creative, be that curation setups on the back end. They're developing essentially our audience profiles and anything from a targeting perspective. And that's all happening with obviously modern tech and AI developments as we move forward. The strong partnerships we have with these DSPs allow us to essentially tap into some of these new AI tools earlier than others from a beta perspective, and therefore we can start implementing them across our campaigns at an earlier date. The important part is we're using these AI kind of products to enhance our campaigns. These are not replacing humans. We are just as important in this process to ensure that they're being enabled correctly and utilized in the right way. So this is a joint venture in general, but some amazing kind of advancements from an AI perspective, helping improve performance and general outcomes for our clients.